Good afternoon. Last lecture we have uh, studied the definition of conditional probability. That is, and in this lecture we solve the example of conditional probability. Here example is Pooja and Ankita are going to dinner and they toss a pair coin to decide who pay the bill in the hotel. That is, if there if there are more head than tails in the three toss, then Pooja pay, otherwise Ankita pays. That is, here they toss a pair of coin and to decide who pay the bill. That is, we find if there are more head than tail in the three toss, that is two pair of coin here toss three toss, and we find the sample space of coin, that is sample space equal to head tail tail head head tail head tail head and tail. And let the favorable event of puja page is a equal to hh hht hth thh, and Ankita page the sample space is B equal to HTT, THT, TTH and TTT, and clearly has the 50% chance of the paying of that is probability of A equal to probability of B equal to 1 by 2. That is, here total sample space is 4, and in the sample space B in total sample space is 4. That is, here clearly is 50% chance of paying bill, that is probability of A equal to probability of B is 1 by 2. Now, if we are given the information that the result of the first toss is head, and then the sample space is reduced to new sample space, say E. That is, now if we given the information that the result of the first toss is head, in the above sample space we are give only the first toss is head, and then the sample space is reduced to a new sample space, say E. That is, the first coin is head, that is both A and B we see the first toss is head. Here first, here H first is head, HT and here STT. That is, we in our information we have give the new sample space, that is the first toss is head, and the new sample space say E equal to, here total favorable event is 4, and here A intersection E, that is we find the A intersection E equal to, here A intersection E is H, that is head HHT and STH, and we find the B intersection E equal to only HTT, and here Pooja will pay given the first toss is head, that is probability of A divide E equal to, that is probability of A divide E equal to probability of A intersection E divide probability of E, that is probability of A intersection is that is 3 by 4, and similarly P Ankita will be pay given the first toss is head, that is probability of B by E, that is probability of B E equal to probability of B intersection E divide probability of E equal to 1 by 4, and thus the probability that Pooja will pay is higher than Ankita. That is, we find the conditional probability of the above example.